That shouldn't make any difference.
Well, it's hard to take her to the side. Don't let her come back. Take her over there. Take her away. Remember, heels down. Now keep your feet in your stirrups. Heels down. Take her over. It's fine. Just, if she's not doing it, squeeze her and then make her go. That's it. Take her around and turn.